Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Romani. If you're not sure who I am and you've never seen any of my videos before, make sure you hit the subscribe button. My channel is geared toward beauty, health, and empowerment. Today we have a beauty video, and this video is also sponsored by Noir Gold Hair Products. Noir Gold Hair Products is a black-owned company and a woman-owned company, so I was really happy to try their products out. And they sent me their Lock and Twisting Buttercream, their leave-in conditioning mist, and their hair and scalp oil. So I'm going to be using all of these products to achieve this wonderful braid out. I haven't tried this one yet, but this is their organic skincare, and it is just a skin oil that, reduces dark spots, scars, blemishes, breakouts, acne, and blackheads. So I will be sure to try this and make a video about this as well. All of the small items came in these really cute gold bags. Really cute packaging, really good branding. I really like it. They also offer beard oil for the fellas if you're trying to grow your beard or you just need some, some moisturization going on in the beard area. And they sent me some contact cards, just put in their contact information, Instagram, phone number, Facebook, and I will have all of that in the description box. But it just says like all of the products that they have, their mission, and then this one was just to give me like some insight as to what the beard oil was for. So I have lots and lots of these, and all of this information, like I said, will be in the description box below. But without further ado, let's jump into the video.
So I'm going to be starting off on washed hair. It's not freshly washed. I washed it a few days ago after I went swimming, and I didn't put any products in it because I knew that I would be doing this review. So it's not freshly washed, but it is washed, and there are no products in my hair right now. So I'm just going to begin taking my braid down so I can show y'all how my hair just looks in its regular dry state. It is a little bit drier than normal because, like I said, I went swimming and I washed my hair and didn't put any products in it. So I'm just going to spray my hair with water because you never want to apply products without your hair being moisturized already because it'll just seal in the dryness. So I'm just spraying some regular, just plain water on my hair right now. And now I'm going in with their growth boosting leave-in conditioner mist. And so I'm just spraying that all over my head. I do like the way that these products smell. I'm really a smell person. It gives me like tropical vibes, so I did like it. And it did moisturize my hair to where I was able to, get the comb through my hair and detangle my hair. And the bottle just says that it's for hair growth, detangling, moisture, and softening. And so this is how my hair looks after I applied it and combed all the way through it. So it's kind of giving me blow dried vibes. And now I'm just going in with their growth boosting lock and twisting buttercream, and the container says no buildup, no flakes, no residue, no frizz, and this is good for twist outs, locks, and braids. So I just applied it to a big section of my hair just to see how it would feel, just to see if it would like moisturize at all with being in a big section, and it did. As you can see, it really absorbed into my hair, and I just added some to the ends just to make sure my hair wasn't, dry or anything like that. And I'm going in with my Tangle Teaser that I absolutely love, and I am combing from the bottom to the top of my hair. I section it and then I just began braiding. So this isn't a braid out tutorial, so I wasn't really going slow. I do have braid out tutorials on my page though if you need to know how to braid your hair for a braid out, but this one is just a review, so I'm gonna go through it a little fast. But yeah, as you can see, I'm just applying the cream to my entire head and braiding my entire head. And I'm really making sure I detangle my hair just because I want a defined braid out. And I'm just gonna go back in with the leave-in conditioner just to make sure my roots are moisturized. And now I'm just going in with the growth boosting hair and scalp oil, and it is for hair growth, strengthening, moisturizing, thickening, alopecia, balding, hair thinning, and scalp fungus. And I actually like the way that the nozzle was set up. It was like kind of a protective plastic cover, so it felt really good going into my hair when I applied it. And this is how my hair looks the next day. So my braids are dry, and I'm just gonna start taking it down. So y'all, these products gave really good definition. I don't even gotta say it, y'all can see it, like really good definition. But I'm just going to start pulling my hair apart, and I'm going to do this all around my head. So this is how my hair looks when I get done taking all my braids down. No manipulation, no nothing. Like, this is just how it looks when all of the braids are down. And so I'm gonna start picking my hair out. And y'all know I pick from my ends, and I do have a video on this if you need help with that, and it'll be in the description box below. And this is the finished look. This is how my braid out looks. So make sure you guys shop Noir Gold Products, and you can use the discount code Romani10 for some money off. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you guys next time.